in some spaces, it's discussed and termed an exit tax for Singapore. It is you working in Singapore and you had options with whatever company is popular with technology companies, especially, and then your employment pass is surrendered and you're leaving Singapore permanently. There's a deemed exercise rule, so you're deemed to exercise those options even though you have not. And so that's considered an exit tax of sorts. Are there any other exit taxes of that nature that applies to Singapore?
Oh, yeah. So Singapore has this deemed exercise rule. So generally, stock option is only taxable when you exercise. So this exception is where deemed exercise rule applies. So when you cease employment, and there are essentially 4 types. Okay, we split it into 2. One is stock options. One is share awards. So share awards are normally given to you free, as in like the company gives you shares. Options you definitely have to exercise. So unexercised stock options. Okay, the 4 types are unexercised stock options, restricted stock options, which are those shares under a moratorium. Okay, and unvested share award, and also restricted share award under moratorium. So these are the 4 types. Right, so it's deemed exercisable.
Okay. Any other exit taxes that may apply when someone is leaving Singapore, or is that about it?
Yes, for stock options, that is essentially the 4 types of stocks that attracted the deemed exercise rule.
Understood. Ravi, what about Malaysia? Are there any other taxes that happen or that are triggered when someone is leaving Malaysia permanently, like when they give up their EP?
Okay, before I answer this question, I just strike my mind before the question going back again. The individual tax you're asking, right? For the rental. Actually, we don't need to worry about individual tax remitted back from overseas, because I told you from the beginning, because it's exempted until 2026.
Right,
so,
yeah.
So we expecting it, they should extend it, I think so. Because the thing is, a lot of people like Malaysian working in Singapore also. You see, they're going every day, come back. So there are a lot of technical issues. I think they want to iron out all these issues before they want to make it. So at this moment, I can say it's no tax. Not to say rental also. Whatever individual remit back from overseas, it should be tax exempt.
Okay, understood.
Until 2026. Okay, exit tax. You're talking about exit tax. There's no such exit tax in Malaysia. But you're talking about exit means like a company is exiting from Malaysia, or the individual is exiting from Malaysia. You're referring for that kind of thing, right? Yeah, moving on. So if
in this case, an individual. So we're playing the scenario of an individual. They're giving up their employment pass and they're leaving. Yeah.
They only need to do a tax clearance. That means they need to do tax clearance. That's all. That means they have to upfront submit to the income tax within 30 days from your resignation date. Actually, let's say you're resigning in 30 January, means you must submit by December before that month. 1 month earlier, then you must clear before you leave Malaysia. Must get the clearance, then only you leave Malaysia. That's
okay. Right. So there are no deemed exercise rules when it comes to restricted stock or options. Nothing like that. Okay.
No such thing. In the event the employee failed to pay or clear the tax, the employer will have to take the risk paying the taxes. They will go after the employer because it's in the act.
Yeah. Gotcha.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.